You can access your pattern using three tabs on the left side of Creative Studio. The first is the Patterns tab. This is the database of all patterns that are contained in Creative Studio. The next is the Store tab. This is a tab that contains all the patterns that are available for sale through the Camel Pattern Cloud. You can search for things on this. You can find a pattern, and then you can say, oh, I wonder what that's going to be like. So you can try it. You can't drag from the store, but you can click Repeat Patterns and then put it on the screen. The gold color indicates that it will not be able to be sewn or virtually stitched out. The last tab is the Project tab. And here it's all the patterns that you've worked with, including the one I just tried from the store. And here you can drag that pattern there. But it's all the patterns that you've added to your project.